Good evening, everyone. Curry College Chief Weather Forecaster Joe Shockett taking a look at this upcoming week. Next week, we got a wild situation, I think, for severe weather in the southeast, and what's going to be a doozy, a heck of a doozy of a system here in southern New England. We're going to talk about some of the possibilities for this because I am really, really intrigued what the snow potential may be for next week. So anyway, here's a Sunday 7 p.m. Eastern Time. You can see this is the GFS, the 18Z run. There's going to be a big severe weather outbreak in the southeast relative to what you usually see in January. And we'll talk about that in just a second. But anyway, here's the organizing system Sunday evening. And then Sunday night, early Monday morning, you can see the squall line that's going to be developing in the southeast and then moving off the coast. And then here's the surface low up here. You can see Monday morning, and this is really, really a pipeline of moisture that's going to get thrown up in the New England area. And you can see, obviously, the high to the north feeding in cold air. So this is a developing situation. And literally, we have the big football game coming this Sunday. So as we have a developing football game in play, we're going to have a developing storm in play at the same time. So it's going to get pretty interesting. Instead of watching football, I'll be watching the models, and I'll let you know what happens there. I'll let you know what happens with the storm, and then you can let me know what happens with the football. I don't really care about football, so it doesn't matter to me. But anyway, here we go on Monday evening. You can see the high up here coming south. The isobar is tightening up. That means there's going to be some wind that comes into play here. You can see the heavy rainfall here. Now, I'm not able to show the European on here, obviously, due to the privacy terms that they have over there at ECMWF, but I will say this, the European is much stronger, much more bundled together here. Now you can see, I'm going to zoom in here, and I like this new tool here that we have here on this thing. I can zoom in and zoom out here. I was finally able to put these in the right folder and able to make this work for you, unlike before. So that's good, and I'll do the same thing on my laptop when these are being done on a laptop. Now this will get a little depixelated, but this is the Monday evening. And here's the issue here. You can see the GFS does not have these two bundled together. It has two separate lows. One of these is going to take over, and probably the one at the coast will take over since it is lower. But anyway, this is coming through. Then we move to Monday night, early Tuesday morning, and you see, obviously, the one that was 990 obviously takes over and becomes the main low. That comes up and obviously gives the heavy precipitation in there. And then Tuesday, it's into southern New England with the heavy rain. And here is the GFS rainfall. And you know what? Son of a gun, I forgot. I hope I downloaded them. I was on their site, and it would happen to believe that I did not download the SPC images from the Storm Prediction Center that highlights the severe weather threat, because they have 2 days out. But you know what we're going to do? We're going to continue talking about this, and then we're going to take a look at the SPC outlook, because this, I think, is going to be a big outbreak. Back to the rain. Here we go with the GFS. You can see the rainfall Tuesday morning. Very, very heavy rainfall here in southern New England. Here's the GFS rainfall by Tuesday evening. Look at that. Just absolutely incredible. This is almost 4 inches of rain here. 3.5, 4 inches of rain in eastern Massachusetts. So this could be really one heck of a rain event given the GFS 4.5 maximum there. Here is the temperatures. You can see mid 40s and 50s now. There is a threat that this is colder like the European says it could be, and certainly the European ensembles. That storm is stronger, more cold air can get involved into it, and you're talking what could be a big snowstorm, but maybe not as much liquid, but still this is going to evolve in the next couple of days, but this is going to be a high precipitation event. Whether this is rain or snow, this is going to produce a lot of liquid, and one way or another. Here's the GFS ensembles, the probability of seeing 2 or more inches of liquid, rain or snow, whatever it may be, but melting it and getting a final liquid product. Now, this is pretty high probability here in southern New England. You can see here the 70-80% chance of exceeding 2 or more inches of liquid out of this. And here's the severe weather in the southeast. Going to see 3, 4, 5 inches of rain here. What that comes through. So this is the first low, this is the secondary low taking off. When we get closer, I'm sure the probabilities will continue to increase. Now, here's what's interesting. Here's the 4-inch probability by Wednesday afternoon. You can see a 10-20% here in New England and 20-30% here in the low here off the coast. Now, with this warm water here, I mean, this is going to really produce, no question. Both the European and the GFS have rainfall rates totals almost a half foot off the South Carolina coastline. So this thing's going to mean business. And then here is the probability. Not the probability. Here is the European ensemble. Now, because you guys were good, I showed you this. Here's the European ensemble of all 50 of its members, and that's pretty good. Look at that. 1.5 inches, 2 inches of rain. There are ensemble members that go as high as almost 6 inches, and there's some that don't give as much, an inch or so or inch or less. But that's a pretty strong signal, being a week out from this event, that we're talking what is going to be a pretty significant rain event for us here in southern New England. Again, could become snow, but we'll just stay with the rain since that's what most of the guidance is suggesting currently at this time. Now, let's show you the severe weather threat that the SPC is highlighting here. Here is day 4 in the southeast. You can see that. Then there's day 5. So this is going to really get going this weekend when this low comes out, ejects, and starts producing what you see back here, the severe weather Sunday and the Monday, and all the fun and games that there are. And believe it or not, European Day 10 has got another storm coming up right behind this. So we're definitely, again, as I talked about in the previous video we did a couple of days ago, we are definitely getting to a more active stormy pattern here, especially in the eastern parts of the U.S. Also, good news about this, we're going to get some rain into the severe drought areas in the southeast, and also we're going to help erase the evolution of the drought that we saw here in southern New England during the course of the summer and into the fall. So it looks like drought relief is on the way for the southeast and also up here into southern New England. That's it for now, and thank you for watching.